live on Twitch. I totally forgot. Okay. Sorry, YouTube bros. I don't know what happened. I'm still live on YouTube? How is that possible? Didn't the stream end? Didn't start another stream? Oh no. Okay, I can set this up in like 2 minutes, I bet. Maybe. Oh shit! Alright, hold on.
2,000 years.
Okay, close enough! Wait, hold on, sorry. I forgot to set this ending part up. Aha, there we go. Now I'm glowing! Oh jeez, what is that? What is that? Oh, it's you! Okay. Did I ever set this thingy up? That was a good debut stream, right guys? I should totally tweet right now. Alright, one more minute! I got it! I'm about to finish, hold on! Aha! Okay, I got it now. Okay. Hopefully this works. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, I don't have to yell because, well, I can't see chat, but, shit. Hold on, I have clothes on the floor. I keep running into it. Get a turn. Hold on, the turn radius on this thing is really bad. Hold on. There we go. Okay. Thanks. It's so fucking loud. Hold on, I'm going into slow speed. Hopefully you guys can hear me and not just hear this little piece of shit train. Mic check. Then I froze. Okay. Thank you guys for watching my debut stream. I really wanted to do this as like a cool outro. Thank you for coming to the stream. I'm gonna end the stream now, but I'm gonna stream tomorrow and I'm gonna keep you guys updated on Discord.